Have told you to take the door handle out to get the door actuator out through that hole. Well, on the 2007 it doesn't work. You cannot get the handle out that easily. So I said, screw it, I'm just going to do it the way the factory wants you to do it. And it's not that difficult, okay? What you need to do, first off, you got to take your door panel out, which is super easy. You can see that on other videos. You're going to take off, there's a rubber molding that runs along this door, this edge right here. You're going to take that out, okay? Then there's one screw right here. There's two screws, one here and one further up. All right, and then there's one here holding the window track a little bit further, okay? Then what you're going to do is there's a plastic molding that sits on the outside of this window, and then there's a little bracket holding it with those two screws. I'm sorry, there was two screws. There's one here and one here. I think I think that's it. So no, there's one up here as well. So when you take that off, there will be a bracket there which holds the plastic molding on the inside of the door. So you're going to take that off, and then you're going to peel away the rubber here. You see that rubber? I just peeled it out of the channel where it sits, and you're going to do the same over here. I'll show you on the front side here. What the goal is to take this pin, or this take this part that goes all the way inside the door and holds the window glass from flopping back and forth like this. So what you want to do is you're going to pull this all the way up as far as you can, and you see I'm just keeping this all intact. I'm not taking it out, I'm just kind of moving it out of the way. That way you have access to take this big chunk of actuator out of the door, unhook it, put the new one in. Now I put the window all the way down, which I shouldn't have, so I'm going to put it all the way up now, just carefully, and that way I'll be able to put that actuator back in, because right now the glass is in the way. All right.